Hello, this is Uncle Jim, and I've been a very naughty, naughty boy. Oh, there goes the air compressor. Anyway, I've neglected my equipment this year, which is bad. I always take care of my equipment, all right? But this year I've been bad, bad, bad. We still have the chains on from the snow. It's got old gas in it from snow plowing, and they haven't been started since then. Got to take the plows off, the chains off. This one I took off because I had to fix that tire. Look at the mud. Bad. Bad. Anyway, we're going to see if they start. It's been a long time. They got old gas in them. And hopefully they all start. Now, we're going to start with the tractor. That battery is over 10 years old. I think it's 11 or 12 years old battery. Stock battery. Little tiny battery. And it still kicks. So let's see if that kicks. But first, heard on the news last night, there was a church shooting in Michigan. And one of the members pulled out his gun and shot the guy. But what really turned me on was the deacon of the church got in his Ford truck, an F-150, and ran over the guy afterwards just to make sure. To me, that is America, people. That is America. So, hey, Mr. Deacon, whoever you were, you get in your F-150 and run them over and make sure the job's done. Anyway, let's get this job done. Also, the Banshee over here hasn't been run in 3 years. We're gonna have to drain the gas out of the carbs, and we'll do that in a later video. And then the poor little tractor over here hasn't been run forever, along with a bunch of other crap. All right, I've been a bad boy. Naughty, naughty boy. Always take care of your equipment. And it's time for an oil change on all of these every year. So, all right, let's look at the tractor. Okay, this tractor's always been run hard. I need to get the bucket on there and change the landscape in the yard before winter. But this battery down here, it's a little tractor battery, 11 or 12 years old. Will it kick on? It's time to change it, but it's been a really good tractor. You guys know, you've seen it. And it just sips fuel. It's a diesel. That's a Mitsubishi engine. And it is just a little big guy. You know, it's a little tractor that thinks it's big. All right, let's see if we can kick this over. All right. All right, one thing, there's something about cats and tractor seats. They love laying in the tractor seats. Cat! Clean up aisle 3, cat hair. All right, let's see what happens. It's gonna sound a little cranky. Cranky! All right, let's put the clutch in. Do the glow plugs for a minute there, just in case. Come on, baby. The battery's way expired, and it's a little battery. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hell yeah. good to go, but I got to think about getting a battery for this. It's way overdue. Now, notice the turtle and rabbit for throttle. My little mini cat, Minnie Moo, likes to take the heads off of rabbits in the yard. I don't know why. She's weird, and she eats the brain. Anyway, we got a rabbit here for Minnie. All right. Or was it you? You're grooming. You're licking your lips. Minnie, come on. You would eat the brain. Okay, so let's see if the 700 powers up here. And we got to put this on there. Let's see if this fires up. Old gas. Let's see what happens. All right. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Fired right up. All right. Good. Okay, that one's good to go. Good to go. All right, so now it's time to see if Thor fires up. I call it Thor. This is my 800. It is a beast. It has it's hauled trailers. It hauled my snowplow up here on a trailer when the guy couldn't even get up the driveway. And it is a beast in the snow. So let's see if this fires up. This is an older battery, so I'm kind of worried about that. And the beauty is both of these use Harley motorcycle batteries, so you can get them cheap. I get the sealed ones so they can tip over and all that stuff. And the other beauty is both these quads use the same oil filter as my wife's CRV and my son's Honda car. So boom, you just have the same oil filters for all vehicles, and that is great. I love that. Anyway, let's see if old Thor fires up. This is my favorite. It's a beast. It's got so much power. It's amazing. You can tow people out of the snow, trailers, anything else. So let's see what happens here. And this battery is older than the other one, so let's see if it still kicks on. All right, you ready? Oh, hell yeah. that's good news. They all fired up. I got to think about that battery and the tractor battery. They're getting old. But I love how compatible the oil filters are with all our other cars and everything. Tractor, I use the same filter, but it's a different model. Same with my truck and van. Anyway, good news. They're still running, even though I neglected them. I feel so bad about that. Both of these, I need to do a valve adjustment, which I'm putting off. I got to get in there and adjust the valves under pressure and tension and load. You want 006 on the valves, and I'm going to have to get in there and do that. And then, of course, change the oil and get her all done, get the chains off. We got lots of trails here, and we got to go driving this stuff during the summertime. There's beautiful trails here, and you can drive them into town. Locally, our regulations are as long as you're 15 miles an hour, you can drive anything you want, including the tote goat. So we got to do that. I've been neglecting so bad. I feel really bad. This year I neglected, and we don't even have the chains off. I guess that's it. Until next time, thanks for watching. America.